Namaskar, I am Shankar Chavan and you are watching School Tak News Channel. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji on Thursday stated that India is willing to take back its national living illegally in the United States and states that need to dismantle the ecosystem of human trafficking. PM Modi expressed confidence that President Donald Trump would fully cooperate with India in eliminating human trafficking networks.
Those who stay in other countries illegally do not have any legal right to be there. As far as India and US are concerned, we have always said that those who are verified and are truly citizens of India, if they are living in the US illegally, India is ready to take them back, PM Modi said while responding to a query at a joint press conference with Trump following their bilateral talks.
He pointed out that most people staying illegally are from ordinary families who have been misled by human traffickers. But for us, it does not stop there. These individuals come from ordinary families. They are shown big dreams and more often misled and brought here. We must dismantle the entire system of human trafficking. The US and India must work together to eliminate this ecosystem at its root so that human trafficking comes to an end. Our larger fight is against this system, and we are confident that President Trump will fully cooperate with India in this effort.
Recently, the US deported over 100 Indians whom it identified as illegal immigrants on a military plane with restraint, causing a political uproar in India. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar had addressed the deportation issue in Parliament. Officials have stated that India has been in contact with US authorities regarding concerns over the conditions under which people are repatriated.
During his remarks, PM Modi acknowledged the contributions of the Indian community in the US in strengthening bilateral relations and announced that India would open 2 new consulates in Los Angeles and Boston. The Indian community in the US is an important link in our relationship. To enhance people-to-people ties we will soon open our consulates in Los Angeles and Boston. We have also invited US universities to establish offshore campus in India, he said.
PM Modi also thanked President Trump for approving the extraordinary of Navun Rana, accused in 26/11 Mumbai attacks. India and the US have always stood together in the fight against terrorism. We agree that strong action must be taken to eliminate terrorism originating from across the borders. I am grateful to President for approving the extradition of the criminal who committed crimes in India in 2008. The courts in India will take the necessary legal action, he said.
PM Modi extended an invitation to President Trump to visit India, recalling his previous trip in 2020. The people of India still remember your visit in 2020 and hope to welcome you again. On behalf of 140 crore Indians, I invite you to visit India, he said. President Trump praised the special bond between the US and India and announced new agreement to further strengthen ties. This is for the day. Keep watching School Tak News channel. Namaskar.